And Omicron cases in the UK have nearly doubled in a day. A further 249 infections confirmed. The Health Secretary says implementing restrictions now means Britain could avoid the need for further measures in the future.
Even before Plan B, you needed a passport to travel to winter funland. Birmingham's NEC has been asking visitors to prove they've had 2 vaccinations or a negative COVID test since it reopened in July, and say the public largely approve.
It's not without its operational complexity and, of course, additional cost, but we felt it was the right thing to do, having effectively been closed as venues for nearly 15, 16 months. We've hosted tens and tens and tens, hundreds of events in this venue and seen 500,000 visitors come through our doors, more actually. And the good news is those processes and protocols are working and customers are accepting them.
COVID passes will soon be mandatory at all venues with a capacity of more than 10,000, even for elves. One of a number of measures ordered by the wise men of Westminster that have given some in business the hump. Plan B will end the gradual return of office workers to Birmingham city centre. Working from home will be encouraged from Monday, denying many businesses the customers they rely on.
It was only a few days ago when we were told that Plan B wasn't going to be enacted anytime soon. So I think it's that uncertainty that's a real killer for businesses, because if you think about it, the announcement last night telling people to stay at home is going to have a massive impact on city centre businesses, many of whom have suffered a torrid 18 months, are only just getting back on their feet right now, so really concerning to see.
While nightclubs and smaller unseated venues will need COVID passes, theatres will not. But masks will be mandatory, a move the Birmingham rep welcomes.
We actually went to mask wearing as a requirement for audiences 2 weeks ago when it was mandated in public spaces, so we've already done that. I think this makes it a little bit easier actually, because that messaging has come direct from government.
For business, Plan B means uncertainty, not least because of the inconsistencies for their customers. For example, this year the government doesn't want you to go to the office, but it doesn't mind if you go to the office party. And the danger is that all of this knocks consumer confidence, and that's bad for the whole economy.
The price or the effectiveness of Plan B won't be clear until the new year. Everyone is praying it works.